California Lemon Law. How EV Lemon Law helps consumers. How California's Lemon Law protects EV owners. In California, there's a law called the Lemon Law. It helps people who bought or leased EVs that presently don't work properly. If your car has problems that make it less safe, valuable, or useful, this law can help you. Tesla is the top EV maker in the US, but the Lemon Law isn't just for Tesla, it's as much as every electric car brand in the market. If your electric car has unfixable problems and is still under warranty, the California Lemon Law can assist you. This is true whether you have a Tesla Model X, a Nissan Leaf, a Chevrolet Bolt, or any other electric car. The Lemon Law is there to protect your rights if things go wrong with your electric car. Common electric vehicle issues. Charging problems. Picture waking up to a dead EV battery. It's not because you forgot to charge it, but because the vehicle can't charge overnight. Range anxiety. When owners of electric cars worry that their battery will run out of power rather than using the full charge the carmaker says it will give. Software glitches. Electric cars use software to perform various functions that subsequently create glitches. Software glitches can cause problems with these functions, therefore causing navigation errors, charging issues, and driving problems. Battery degradation. EV batteries naturally wear down a bit as they age. But when the battery's capacity deteriorates prematurely, it may be a Lemon Law concern. Powertrain malfunctions. The powertrain changes electrical energy into motion. When the powertrain doesn't work properly, it can be dangerous and make EV hard to use.